Hey, what's up guys, it's MotoGod and welcome back with another video. So today I'm gonna show you the exhaust note with muffler and without muffler. So you can find a lot of videos on RX like with muffler and without muffler, but the thing is you can find the videos on a chrome silencer, the stock silencer, but you won't find the exhaust note from a cat silencer. So that's why I'm making this video, and as always I'm going to a place where no one will kind of disturb with the exhaust note. And another thing that I want to update you guys, like there's no videos from last 10 days, so I'm gonna tell you the reason for that. So basically I and my two other friends, we went to a destination, a beach. You guys don't know about that if you don't follow me on Instagram. So I already made a vlog about that trip, so you can watch that vlog on my Instagram. You can't find it on YouTube, but you can find it on Instagram. I'll leave the link in the description on the screen right now. You can go and check it out. Came to our destination. Now I'll show you the thing that you all waited about. So I just came to this location to make a video on this. So you can see a lot of videos on chrome silencer. This is all about cat silencer. And for a cat silencer you need a star screwdriver or a minus screwdriver or a 10 number tool to remove the nut. Then you can easily remove the muffler, but that's not the case with the cat silencer. So basically, if you can see the cat silencer, so on a cat silencer you have to remove these 3 Allen keys. So for that you need a ratchet kit or a 5 number Allen key. In my case I don't have Allen key set, so that's why I just got my ratchet kit in my hands, and this is the 5 number Allen bit. So I'll use the extension to remove the cat silencer. So before that I'll just show you the exhaust note with the muffler on, and then I'll remove it and show you the without muffler exhaust note. So this is the exhaust note from a cat silencer with the muffler on. So now I'll remove it, show you how a cat silencer sounds without a muffler on. So for that I'm using this ratchet kit and a 5 number Allen bit. And then simply remove the extension, and you can remove it with your hand. So all the 3 Allen keys just came off, and then simply remove. You can see all the smoke coming from the cat. So this is the cat muffler. So this is how it looks from the outside and from the inside. I hope you guys can see it. And now we'll start the motorcycle, and then you can see how the exhaust note from a cat silencer without a muffler on. This is how it sounds without a muffler on. This is kind of super loud, and it's very loud, that's what I can say. It's kind of waste of use to use a cat silencer without a muffler, so I don't recommend it. I just want to show you how it sounds, that's it. So this is how it sounds with muffler you can't hear any sound at all without muffler. It's kind of super loud. Yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Until then, peace. So this is a video while riding a motorcycle without a muffler on a cat silencer.